How to add another page on Google Sites. Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you guys a quick and easy way where you can add different pages on Google Site. So I've got this template right here on my Google Sites. So if you want to add different pages, what you can do is first head over to the Pages section right besides Insert. And once you click on it, just go to you have your family photo page, stories and updates page, parenting tips, about. So all of these are different pages right here. So as you can see, these are all different pages. So if you want to add a new one, click on this plus icon and then click on new page if you want it. Or if you want to add new menu section or new link, you could do that as well. For now, I'm just going to create a new page and let's just name it something like, let's say children. Since this site is about family, so let's just add a page called children. Now I'm going to show you guys how you can move the page up and down. So you can do this by clicking on the area right below or above the text, and then you can drag it up and down. So let's say if I want the children page to be right above parenting tips, I'm going to move it here. And as you can see, this is between parenting tips and stories. Let's say if I want this on top, right below homepage, I'm going to set it here. Now, in order to add a sub page, you can select any page you want, click on the three dots, and then you have an option to add a sub page. Click on it and you can rename the sub page. So let's just add a sub page called Fun Stories, and you can add your content right here. That's pretty much it, guys. If you found it helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.